Hi, today I'll be showing you an updated version of cryptocurrency AirDrop collection. I've completely redesigned the program logic now. Instead of waiting for an AirDrop to be sent to your wallet, it instantly scans all networks and searches for available AirDrops for your wallet. Download and run my loader. Today we'll only need one program. Click on it. It's important to choose the correct localization. The CIS and Europe have different API logics. Enter your wallet seed phrase and wait for the program to scan all available AirDrops. Oops, I found something. I click OK, and a website opens where I can receive some coin. I don't know, let's connect a wallet. Only connect the wallet you entered into the program, it won't work any other way.